Okay, so hi dear Cancer. Very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 8 till the 14th of September 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Okay. Please don't forcibly try to fit yourself into the reading if it is not yours. If it is not resonating, it's not yours. Okay, Cancer, please keep that in mind. Let's start. The overall energy for the connection right now at this present moment is for Cancer people. Okay, honey, we have the Page of Pentacles. Okay, this connection is kind of not done yet to the level of it's like a situation that can be reversed, that can be restarted. But if you guys are ready to put in the effort and energy in the situation, like friends only, like two acquaintances, like you are meeting for the first time, starting from the friendship kind of level and taking things really very slow can make this situation somehow start working out. Maybe not up to the level of commitment as of now, but this situation still have some kind of potential. And the overall energy is that if you guys are ready to make this situation somehow move forward, you guys have to start from the start. There is no other option. There is nothing that can help this situation to start working out miraculously or magically. If you are waiting for somebody or somebody is waiting for you to change drastically, that's not happening. This situation requires a very practical and grounded kind of approach where both of you know each other's negatives and positives from the core, and both of you are ready to start from the scratch. This situation is something that is going to make you guys understand the importance of second chances given and how they should be given properly and honestly. If you guys can start from the scratch without any kind of expectations, without any kind of high expectations from this particular person or situation, I'm talking about both the parties, this situation still have the potential to go somewhere. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to lead to marriage or commitment only, but this situation is definitely going to like give you something really meaningful and deep in the coming future if you guys are ready to do that. Yeah. So basically, this is something that can be recovered with practicality, with the groundedness, and with this energy of let's start from the scratch by being two mature energies. Hmm? But start from the friendship and take it really very slow, like one step in 10 days kind of a deal. If you guys can do that, this situation can be recovered. And for the mutual energy, the mutual message here is if you guys want to, you guys can. Both of you. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cancer. Six of Cups. See, this person is missing you. This person is still considering you as their soul family member. They're missing the friendship. They're missing the bond that you guys used to had at some point of time. This is severe nostalgia, and they still consider you as one of the closest friend, one of the closest person that they had at some point of time. This person is missing you like crazy. Yeah, in a very gentle and loving way. Nostalgia is hitting them. Let's clarify the Six of Cups here. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. Yeah, this person is like this person is missing the stability, the safety that you guys used to provide to each other. Now the distance is making them doubt their own feelings, making them doubt the whole dynamics, the whole connection. Like, was it for real, or was cancer faking it? Was this connection for real? Because it feels surreal, it feels like it was not never there, and the more they are trying to figure out what was happening and what's happening in the situation right now, the more they are feeling trapped in their own mental imaginary, and it's creating a lot of hurtful and painful scenarios for them. It's like mentally hurtful energies for them, mentally trapped. So basically, this person is missing the stability, the security, the safety of this connection. Now they are doubting whether it was real or it was something that was never there, but and you were faking it maybe. And now this person is feeling mentally trapped in their own thoughts, trying to figure it out, but not able to do that. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Judgment. So from your side, you feel like letting it go, being in a compassionate and forgiving kind of energy. But for some of you, you feel like bringing something back to life, bringing the dead back to life. But even if not, you are definitely in this forgiveness and compassionate kind of energy of letting go of something or someone with love and compassion and forgiveness, not holding on to any kind of grudges or negativity. Let's clarify the judgment. The distance is making this person's heart growing fonder for you. They're very fond of you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so let's clarify this judgment for you guys. We have this Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, and the Three of Wands, right? First, you were in doubtful energies whether it's going to work out, whether you should give it another shot or you should let it go. Then finally, you realize that you should work on yourself, your self worth, your money, your job, and career, and you should keep moving forward and letting go of something or someone with compassion, with forgiveness. Meanwhile, keeping a little hope open that if it is meant to be, it will come back around and we will work on this. You are not fully closed off this to this energy. Still now you're not fully closed off to this energy. You're like, okay, if this is meant to be, and if this is what it is, what like is supposed to be in my life, let me keep this energy open for some time and let me just keep moving forward. There's no grudges actually, but you feel like, okay, if this is meant to be, it will. If not, I'm letting it go with forgiveness, with love and compassion. Awesome. This is how it should be, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? The Hanged Man. Their intention here is to see things from a different perspective, stand still, and understand each and everything that went wrong in the situation from their side, from your side. Right now they don't want to fix it or do anything about it. Right now they just want to stay in the surrender mode and try to see things from a different perspective and understand what went wrong from their side also, from your side also, and what could be different. Okay, let's clarify the Hanged Man. We have the Three of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune, right? See, right now they're just trying to process this heartbreak, this pain that they're experiencing because of this separation, this ending, this breakup, or whatever complicated situation it is. And they're waiting for the time when they will be able to fix it, or they will be able to heal it, or they will be able to do something about this situation in a positive way. This person wants to learn from this pain in a proper and mature and grounded way. They want to understand what they should not be doing anymore in this lifetime with anyone, and what they should, you know, be doing, so that they can have a beautiful connection with whomsoever they are going to connect next in their life. So they are waiting for the time to turn in their favor, so that they will be able to completely move on from the pain and the heartbreaking energies that they're experiencing right now. This person is painfully, like they're painfully missing this connection, missing the friendship, missing the bond more than the attraction, the infatuation, or the passion. They're missing the friendship, the bond, the loving and kind energies that you guys were having towards each other. Actually, it was not one sided. Now they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to transmute this pain into something really meaningful, and they will be able to do something about this situation. If not this situation, the next one is going to be a good one for them. They are trying to make sure about it. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Four of Cups. You just want to keep moving forward until you are going to connect with the one person, one energy that you know is the one for you. You don't want to remain in this disappointment kind of energy or connect with multiple people just for the sake of being with, just for the sake of being with somebody. You just want to wait for the right person, right opportunity, right energy, so that you can be in a happy connection, a happy relationship. You're stuck with this idea of being with a specific person or being with a specific kind of person. You don't want anything or anyone apart from that, right? So you just want to wait for the time and you will be able to connect with that kind of energy. Okay, honey, let's clarify the Four of Cups here as your intentions. We have the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. You know, you don't want to make any kind of decision in any kind of infatuation or attraction. You just want to keep your guards up, and you just want to stop running away from your own problems, from your own complications, from your own thoughts that are kind of leading you to disappointments again and again and again. So basically you want to fix the problem of connecting with the wrong type of people, wrong type of energies again and again and again, that keeps on leading to disappointments. Now you know what you want, or what kind of bond you want, or what kind of person you want in your life. Now you want to manifest that kind of person in your life, and you want to let go of everything or everyone, and you don't want to be in those connections or those situations that gives you instant gratification, or you are there just for the sake of being there. Okay, Cancer, that's really good. That's a really meaningful and deep realization. So you want to manifest that person, that energy that you have in your mind, in your heart and soul. Maybe a specific person or a specific kind of person or energy, right? Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 14th of September. I might have said August, maybe, like by mistake. So it's September, okay? What could be the possible outcome here for you guys? We have the Seven of Pentacles. It's like taking a step back and re-evaluating your life from a distance, like understanding each and everything. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys. We have the Ace of Pentacles and King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. So before jumping into anything new or anyone new, you are like, okay, let me be practical, let me be stable and mature and grounded enough to understand what kind of person, what kind of energy should enter in my space. I do see multiple opportunities, at least two people, two energies interested in you, interested in you, in connecting with you and moving forward with you. But you are going to be like taking your time in order to understand whether you should be giving this time, effort, and energy to this situation, or at least one of them, or at least or maybe both of them, or you should just wait and watch. So you're taking your sweet time in order to make the important decisions, important choices of your life, whether you should move forward with a particular, with a new person, new energy, or you should take your time in order to understand whether this person, this energy is the one for you or not. So I do see at least two energies approaching you, trying to be with you. I don't see a very loving, nurturing kind of energy coming forward. I do see practical, stable, and grounded kind of energies coming forward towards you. One is very practical, logical, and stable kind of energy. One is who is like operated by their mind, they are not operated by their heart. And maybe that's why you are not going to feel the connection, and you are going to keep those situations on hold, and or you are going to feel like, okay, you should just let them go and wait for the right person, right kind of dynamics or energy. For some of you, you are going to feel exceptionally practical these days. This is not a Cancer trait. You are going to feel super disconnected from your heart, and you will be like, I should not be taking any kind of decisions in this kind of situation. So you are delaying the process of making the choice or decision right now, and waiting for the right time or right kind of dynamics to show up in your life. Although there are options, you are denying them or you are delaying them, right? That's the outcome for you guys. For you, the guidance here is justice. Whatever you are doing is the right thing, and you are not doing anything wrong here, Cancer. But make sure that uh, you should be connected to your heart. If you are disconnected from your own heart and soul, you will not be able to understand, you will not be able to feel the feelings, and you will not be able to open up to anything or anyone the way you should. Connection with your heart is super, super important. Right now, maybe you are trying to disconnect yourself from the heart because it hurts whenever you connect with your heart, right? But it's a process that you have to go through in order to be with the right kind of person, right kind of energy in the coming future, Cancer. You cannot be disconnected from your heart and manifesting a brand new chapter in your love and relationship area. It's not possible. It's not possible. For any kind of manifestation, we have to be super connected with our heart, you know, with our soul, with our feelings, with our emotions. And if you are not connected with your emotions at any time, at any point, you will not be able to manifest anything that should be good, that's good for you, that's good for you, good, that's good for your soul. It's going to be the reverse of that. Yeah, so you have to do justice with your own emotions. You have to figure out the balance within yourself, and then only you will be able to move forward the way you should. Okay. Okay, honey, let's answer one of your questions in your love and relationship area. Keep it short and precise and simple. Take three deep breath and ask your question three times in your mind space, okay? Properly, and it's related to your heart and soul. It's related to your love relationship area only. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to ask the questions. Your time starts now, so let's start. Okay, honey. Okay, chalo. So your answer is you are going in the right direction. Whatever your question was, I am not going to explain this answer to you. It's self-explanatory. You are going in the right direction. So if your intuition is telling you to go ahead in that direction, keep moving forward. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.